Hi guys, good morning. I just want to share with you this quote. Sabi dun sa quote, time and health are the two uh, precious assets that we don't recognize or appreciate until they have been depleted. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Ayan. So, it means na time and health are two important things na kailangan natin i-value hanggat meron pa tayo. Dahil ang oras pag lumipas na or nawala na, hindi na natin pwedeng maibalik yon. And remember, time is important. Sabi nga nila sa sabihan, time is gold, di ba? So, gaano ba ka-importante para sa iyo ang oras, di ba? So, I know most of us, we are working in our dream. We are working towards our goal in life. So, if you want to be successful, first and foremost is you have to sacrifice a lot of time, learning the skills that you need to learn, and most especially building up your character. Because if you want to be successful in life, those things are so important. And also, as part of our success towards our goal, in reaching our goal, we must have a healthy body, healthy mind, and we must take good care of our health. Most people, they don't uh, value their health. That's why they are at the end nagsisisi sila. So, antay mo ba yung oras or panahon na magsisisi ka dahil sana noon pa nalagaan ko na yung katawan ko. Remember guys, once pag mayroon ng sakit yung katawan natin, mahirap tatanggalin yan. So, always remember, as long as you're healthy right now, take good care of your body. Hindi ka makapagtrabaho ng maayos if you are sick. Hindi ka makapag-focus sa business mo if you are sick. So, time and health are the two important assets na kailangan natin i-appreciate hanggat meron yan sa atin. Dahil once mawala yan sa atin, mahirap nang ibalik. That's just a friendly reminder. Have a good day. Bye.